A man invested a certain amount in scheme A at 20% per annum for 3 years and earned 4800 as simple interest. He increased his sum by X and invested in another scheme B at 20% per annum compound interest for 2 years and received 4400 as compound interest. Find the value of X. Okay, so let's first solve the first part of the question. A man invested a certain sum, let's call that sum P. Okay, in scheme A at 20% for 2 years. So rate of interest is 20% and N is 3 years. Okay, and earn 4800 as simple interest. So simple interest here is 4800. Okay, now from this information we can calculate the value of P. So the formula for simple interest is what? PNR over 100, and this is equals to 4800. So P we don't know. N is what? N is 3 years and R is 20 divided by 100 is equals to 4800. So 20 ones are 25s are 3 1s are 3 6s are 18 0 0. So we get the value of P as 1600 into this 5 goes here. So we get answer as 0008. So our P is 8000. Okay, now he increased his sum by X. Okay, so earlier he invested P is equals to 8000. Now his new P becomes he increased his sum by X. So new P becomes, earlier he invested 8000 and plus X. This is his new P, and invested in another scheme B at 20% compound interest. So rate of interest is 20% compounding interest. Okay, for 2 years. So N is again 2 years, and received 4400 as compound interest. So he received compound interest as 4400. Okay, now what is the formula for compound interest? It is P in bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power n minus 1. Yeah, this is the formula for compound interest, and this is equals to 4400. Now let's substitute the values of P and everything else. Okay, so the value of P is what? 8000 plus X. R here is 20, right? And N is what? 2 years. So let's solve this and find out the value of X. So 21s are 25s are, so we get 8000 plus X in bracket here let's take 5 as the LCM, right? And 5 plus 1 is 6 whole squared minus 1, okay, is equals to 4400. Now again 8000 plus X in bracket, so we get 36 over 25, right? So let's take 25 as the LCM, and here 36 minus 25 we get, right? And this is equals to 4400. So let's solve here now. So we get 8000 plus X into 36 minus 25 is 11 over 25 is equals to 4400. Now 11 ones are 11 fours are 0 0, and we get 8000 plus X is equals to 400 into 25 is 10,000. So we get our X as 10,000 minus 8,000, which is 2,000, and this is our required answer. So here option B is the correct one.